Prezi's reprisals were like a creeping lion attacking its prey. You'll never know when he strikes. Kman 6ixx continues to not take accountability for some many death by his one diss track alone. Were they sacrificed? Questions are still unanswered.
That we are talking about.
Reaction.
Yo, what go on? I'm back in with another video for you guys. Right now, we just posted the Kman 6ixx video, people, as you can see. And Medz dropped this song like, I want to say, the second I hit record. So you know, so the reaction boss is very active. So we post it, we promote it, TikTok, Instagram, all platforms. You see me, I say we post some clips and something and thing. We try to make one thing and go viral. So you don't chop girly, don't. But support the reaction boss. Type vlogs everywhere or type reaction on all platforms. You will find me. But we see what going for the Medz boss right now. We were to the last Medz boss I did a dog. What is the name again to Blood Clot? Asylum boy, you see me I say. Bad piece of song, go on brawling. Now that when I drop it name, just do it. You see me? Make we see what go on, man. Less chattings. Make your tape from the boss drop things and we say I shoot the video and remember we see that on the gram already. But we're not talking about that. I do that for Medz boss. Medz boss step on the roll right now in the dog. At the end of the year in the dog. Yo, Medz boss, make up yourself as usual. Run through.
Prezi's reprisals were like a creeping lion attacking its prey. You'll never know when he strikes. Kman 6ixx continues to not take accountability for some many death by his one diss track alone. Were they sacrificed? Questions are still unanswered.
That we are talking about the editing. We love everything about the train that is track them. We love why, but the man said Kman 6ixx is not taking responsibility for the one diss track we promote. So much man for the one diss track. I was sure that Black Red, I said name. A Black Red. Some kind. Remember I was saying I talk about two in the dog. That first game I sang on my ear in the dog. Oh gosh, man. When my boy did it at the barber chair, or to get him haircut or something like that. Yeah, that's not the one side that I wanted them to talk about. Let's shut things. Go on. Make we lucky.
Prezi's reprisals were like a creeping lion attacking its prey. You'll never know when he strikes. Kman 6ixx continues to not take accountability for some many death by his one diss track alone. Were they sacrificed? Questions are still unanswered.
Alright. Hey.
Big top, no go dog, never lie.
Yeah.
Bad liquor, brawling, juvenile.
Yeah.
DiSS with the Uganite. Shot bad boy head like crocodile. Fully bad, grow bad, me no like joke. Molly never sober, yeah, me like float. Load the clip, done dark up the road. Hide cold with the bitch, pick me dick in her throat. Shoot up and bass, make the place hot. Yeah. Come when me pull up in a way black. We got guns like nukes full of bass shop. Full clip in a your fiery shot, yeah chop. Just do it like Nike, we no wake up. Left two shot in your eye like a stage chop.
Is this video sponsored by Nike? Because they have the fully Nike shoes and the fully Nike fit. They sponsor MG, make sure I get the coins them in the Medz box and put it in a go on!
Got guns like nukes full of bass shop. Full clip in a your fiery shot, yeah chop. Just do it like Nike, we no.
Hold on. That's a full clip in your fiery shot, ear drop. Buckler, go on.
Bass shop, full clip in a your fiery shot, yeah chop. Just do it like Nike, we no wake up. Left two shot in your eye like a stage chops. Real bad juvenile, we no fake cops. Check the scoreboard, now it full of dead apps.
You think that I go pass, we have to pause it right there to the blood clot.
Bad juvenile, we no fake cops. Check the scoreboard, now it full of dead apps.
Pause! West Bank. Me not own him Jerry. Wacko. Me blood clot. Hey, you see them bumbo clot? This track here and them anything of them video? No man, trade that you too talented to blood clot. No. But yeah, came as see the car, we get shut up. The artist, are the West Bank, that means I think are different artists. I think are the global, I never West Bank, so you're going global. The dad will get shot in the car. I don't know. I see best there, I see best there upon the color side, you see me, I say. You see me? But anyways, go on!
Real bad juvenile, we no fake cops. Check the scoreboard, now it full of bad day ups. Take a flight, go Dubai, kill a spun boat. Dark me no see the light up in my zone. Dance to the city light up in like dope.
Come out like he's a grim reaper. I don't see what I go on. Oh, no, see what I go on.
Fuck a girl, broke your heart, dark, wicked and cold. Rich badness, but we have a dark soul. No pussy test, we make them look up in a crow. Sick man, I'm no cold. Papa pill, killers gone in a dark mode. Head tap, no go dark, never lie. Bad liquor brawling, juvenile. Turn on the escape in the Uganite. Shot bad boy, head like crocodile. Fully bad, grow bad, me no like choke. Molly never sober, yeah, me like float. Load the clip, done dark up the road, hardcore. With the bitch, put my dick in her throat. Couple million jobs, on the bank fall. Waist bank, waist it, so we know him woulda fall. Spend a back.
Bank waste. Hold on.
Million jobs, on the bank fall. Waist bank, waist it, so we know him woulda fall. Spend a back, book a fly, shopping at the cold. Sophisticated shit, no whipping at the road one. President beard and in at the cold. We know big friend car money, how we gold. Pull up lucky black with the bad dogs, they go. Yeah. Catch you rock, pretty hot. But take a flight, go Dubai, kill a spun boat. Dark me no see the light up in my zone. But dance to the city light up in like dope. Fuck a girl, broke your heart, dark, wicked and cold. Head tap, no go dark, never lie.
Did he actually fuck his girl for real? Me wanna know people. The man them attack. I mean, as we say, most of them saying are straight foxy man them attack. So I wanna know. Go on.
Fuck a girl, broke your heart, dark, wicked and cold. Head tap, no go dark, never lie. Bad liquor brawling, juvenile. Turn on the escape in the Uganite. Shot bad boy, head like crocodile.
I have a question for you asking right now, watch a video, right? So, we all know, say, the man them in a musical clash, you see me I say? The man them in a musical clash, you see me I say? So what me I say is, you have to listen to the next man's song for reply to him, though. So I want to know how the man them feel and what them think about when. Alright, so Medz boss job I'm saying now, right? Kman 6ixx, then I'm yard or in a studio. Or the studio in a well, no, but you know, what is right in there? The man in charge of there, they have a Medz boss song, right? You have to listen to the song and listen to what I'm saying in them song. Forget for respond, right? I want to know if them sit down in the house and say so they're straight in our, you know, them a vibe to it or something. But no know that. We want to be a fly for the water to see if them man in the house and Medz the song for that vibe to it. I say that verse is actually hard or that's sick. You know, more than for give one of them props. Same thing for you, for Medz boss and you know, for him side and man them too. When Kman one jump on a song and he make a one line there to it. We're kinda hard or we're hard. Is he messing? But up on the hard again. But they don't mess it out. It's like, we want to know what the man them I think about that. You see me I say, you have to Medz up one song, you know. You have to know the man saying them song, you have to hear it, you know. So what the man was saying to us? What the man was saying? If I was a kind of hard, the boy catch me that one day. You see me I say, you have to think about that now. We don't know, but yeah, go on. Really look like one that, no joke. Hold on, if you're done. Your impact, pick up yourself as usual. I'm so excited about that video. Bing bang, pick up yourself. Like that. That is it.
Hey, happy life!
Make up happy life. Russian master side out as well. They don't mess make up a whole of Trinidad, the whole Caribbean, dog. I'm out.